5 P's of investing. Put option, paper trade, pre-market, preferred stock, pre-tax earnings. Put options give holders of the option the right, but not the obligation, to sell a specified amount of an underlying security at a specified price within a specified time frame. Paper trading is simulated trading that allows investors to practice buying and selling securities. Paper trading can test a new investment strategy before employing it in a live account. Pre-market trading is trading that occurs between 4 a.m. and 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Pre-market trading is characterized by thin liquidity, low trading volumes, and large bid-ask spreads. Preferred stock is a different type of equity that represents ownership of a company and the right to claim income from the company's operations. Pre-tax earnings are a company's income left over after all operating expenses, including interest and depreciation, have been deducted from total sales or revenues, but before income taxes have been subtracted. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe. Stocks 5150, stocks are crazy.